Okay students, in this video we will solve question 4th C, D and E. Question C says Ria bought shoes worth rupees 1569. Okay, Ria's elder sister bought a laptop. She bought shoes, her elder sister bought laptop, and which is 16 times the cost of shoes. Now they are left with 22,346 now. How much money did they initially have? Okay, so let's write here solve for C. So we have two persons, one is Ria and one is Ria's sister. Okay, what Ria bought? Ria bought shoes. And what Ria's sister bought? She bought computer. Okay students, what is the cost of shoes? Cost of shoes is rupees 1569. And what is the cost of laptop? Cost of laptop is 16 times the cost of shoes. What is cost of shoes? 1569. Okay, and after buying these two things there is still money left. Okay, there is still money left, that is 20,346 now. Okay, she bought this, she bought computer, and also money is left, and it is asking us how much money did they initially have. So what we'll do, we will add these three numbers. Okay, so we will add 1569 plus, can you tell me what is the answer of when you multiply 1569 into 16 times? So multiply here 1569 into 16. Okay, it will be 5, 6 into 6 36, 41, 6 into 5 30, 34, 6 9 0 1 5 6 9. Okay, let's add these numbers 4 0 1 15. It will be 25,104. Okay, 25,104 and 22,346. This much money they had. Now we need to add these numbers 1569, 25,104, 22,346, 19, then 9 4. So answer will be 49019. Okay, so this much amount of money they had initially, but she bought shoes of this money, she and her sister bought of 25,104 of computer, and of this money they had, they were left with, so the initial money was 49,000 and 19. Okay, so let's go to question D. Okay, question D says John works as a part-time waiter at a restaurant. Okay, he gets a monthly salary of 4,410. Calculate John's daily, weekly and annual salary. Okay students, you have to solve this question. His monthly salary is given and you need to find daily, weekly and annual salary. Now I will solve question 4th E. You have to solve this question 4th D. Solve. You have to do this. Okay, now I am solving 4th E. Question 4th E says a copper wire is 240 meter long. After cutting off 60 meter of it, it is twice the length of a steel wire. Okay, how long was the copper wire more than steel wire in the beginning? Okay, now we have been given the length of copper wire. Okay, so the length of copper wire is what? The length of copper wire is 240 meter long. Okay, after cutting off 60 meter. Okay, after cutting off what is its length? 180 meter. Okay, it's still it is double the length of steel wire. Okay, it is twice the length of steel wire. So what will be the length of steel wire? Length of steel wire is half. Okay, half of copper wire left, because it is 2 times, so it will be half times. So you can also write it 180 divided by 2, so it will be 90. Okay, now it is asking us how much copper wire was greater than steel wire. So we need to find difference. So difference will be 240 minus 90. Our answer will be 150 meter. Okay, so length of copper wire is 150 meter greater than steel wire. Okay, steel wire was what? Steel wire is half the length of copper wire, which is cut off. Okay, first when we cut off 60 meter of copper wire, then we get 180 meter, and this 180 meter is double the length of steel wire, so steel wire's length will be half. Okay, so it is 90 meter, and we need to find the difference of copper wire and steel wire.